Hello everyone, this is Weather Indication Watch Studio. We mainly develop original data for RMAPPP Rolex. Today, I bring you AP26240BA. This watch is commonly known as the book without words. This watch is also the first to be launched online, a modified and customized gold watch. In fact, for this kind of AP gold watch, its price in the secondary market is up to millions, which is beyond the reach of ordinary people. But through our modification and customization, we can help you understand. You can spend a small amount of money. You can enjoy and own such a watch. This watch, any golden part that you can see with your naked eyes, such as the upper cover, middle case, the chronograph buttons, the strap and buckle, is made of real A075018K, is made of real A075018K gold. So, for this 180 karat gold AP watch, how much does the entire watch weigh? Let me weigh it for you. For example, this 26240BA, the entire watch weighs half a caddy. You can see the weight of the whole watch is 250 grams. See, such a gold watch weighing 250 grams. It feels very heavy. For this kind of custom-made gold watch, only with the use of genuine AU75018K gold to customize it, can achieve such a weight. And for such a large gold watch, we will issue a professional, legally binding precious metal identification certificate. The total weight of the 18-karat gold watch is 249.19 grams, yellow in color, with a content of AU750. This is a certificate, with legal effect, to prove that it is a solid 18-karat gold watch. And the gold shell craftsmanship like ours, are all made based on the original data. You can see the brushed situation of AP, which is very rough. See, the original one is like this. Then the case's brushed situation, and the cases are corresponding to each other. Then the brushed situation of the strap, and the chamfering and polishing treatment. All of them can be done in the same way. For this kind of wire drawing process and polishing process can truly make you feel confident when you wear it, and make you more confident. For the watch of 26240BA, it has no calendar. See, its dial is very distinctive. Our dial and hands are developed with CNC original data to customize the dial. This dial pointer alone, it took us 3 months to make it. So, actually, developing a watch like this is very time-consuming, laborious, and capital. Through our modification and customization, we have developed such a product. It can solve some customers. It can meet the vision of some customers. That is to say, there is no such product on the ordinary market, but through our modification and customization, we can make it for you. Do you understand? Let's take a look at the dial again. On the dial has also been treated with a wire drawing process. Whether it's the full spelling of AP or the English letters below it, all can be completely aligned. The pointer is a three-dimensional pointer. From the side, its central axis effect is consistent with the original. For a watch like the 26240, it has an important function, is the extraordinary timing function. The second hand is at 6 o'clock. The 9 o'clock is the timing dial. The 3 o'clock is the scoreboard. The large needle in the middle is a large second hand for timing. Let me show you. After you press the up key, the timing starts, right? Press the up key again and press the bottom button to reset. This is a regular stopwatch. 240. This watch has extraordinary timing function. After pressing the up key, the timer starts. If you press the button directly, it will start timing again. It can repeat the timing. When the second hand turns once, the minute hand at 3 o'clock will jump 1 step. When the 3 o'clock position jumps once, the hour hand will jump 1. It can achieve the same function as the original. But for this watch, the thickness of our watch can also be exactly the same as the original. See, in fact, for a gold watch like AP, you can see that the strap is thicker on top and thinner at the bottom. It is a gradual thinning. The original machine process is like this. The development of our gold case are all made according to the original data, which can well realize the details of the strap, and then you can see the back of it. The movement on the back is a 4401 uncalibrated, which is an integrated movement. Its dial is also upgraded later, an automatic rotor made of 18-karat gold. Whether it's the color of the back or the engraving, all of them can be matched. You can see that the 20240BA, the back engraving is different from the regular, is also different from the ordinary one. See, it has these English inscriptions. The back engraving are also developed based on the original data, which can perfectly restore the original style. Let me close the watch again for you to see. Look at the big engraving of this AP. See, this is the one we developed based on the original data. Customized for this AP large engraving, is very three-dimensional and clear. Such a lettering process can really make you spend less money and achieve more. This is the home, AP26240BA. This watch A simple watch sharing. If you like this watch, you can also contact Chanchi. If you like Chanchi's video,